is beautiful, and your eyes are like the stars. Your gentle hands of healing, they're inside the scars. Your loving arms, they draw me near, and your smile, it brings me peace. Draw me closer, oh my Lord, draw me closer, Lord, to thee. Captivate us, Lord Jesus, set our eyes on you, devastate us with your presence falling down. And rushing river, draw us nearer, holy fountain, consume us with you. Captivate us, Lord Jesus.